Open the DoLynk Care app and then press Sites. Press Add Site. Fill in your customer's details along with their DMSS account email. Press the toggle on DST to turn on daylight saving time and press the arrow next to DST time. Change the date to week and replicate the settings from this video. Press back in the top left corner. Press OK when done. Press the newly added site. Press Add Device. Scan the QR code on the back of the alarm hub. Verify the serial number has been scanned and then click Next. Tap anywhere on the screen. Press the three dots in the top right corner. Press Switch to wired network configuration. Make sure the dip switch is in STA mode. Power up the hub by pressing the power button for 2 seconds and wait for the LED to flash green. Insert a network cable and press Next. Make sure your mobile phone is on the same network as the alarm hub and then press Next. If the light flashes yellow, this is because the back of the hub is open. Input a password for your alarm hub, then confirm. Input an email address and press Next. Tick Cloud Access and Auto Check and then press OK. Input a name for the alarm hub and then press Save. Turn on DST and then press the arrow to go onto DST settings. Change the date to week and replicate the settings from this video. Press back in the top left corner. Press back in the top left corner. Press Done. The alarm hub has now been added.